Hey friends, Martyupnorth coming at you from my beautiful backyard. Today is August 20th. I've had a busy summer. I've done a ton of hiking. Right now I'm taking a short break from hiking, getting back in shape because I got a long trip planned next weekend, a 10-day trip. So, and I have a big backlog of videos, but in between my videos of my adventures, I just wanted to post a quick video update on my boots. Now this video is not about the merits of boots versus running shoes or trail runners or whatever. That's a personal choice. I like a full leather boot, but I want to talk about my boots in particular because I just resoled them, so I thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to give a quick update. These are my go-to boots. These are my Scarpa's Kinesis Pro GTX. So it's a full leather boot with a Gore-Tex interior. I've had these boots now for 2 whole years, more than 2 years. I bought them in April 2018, so 2019. So they're 2.5 years old. I have 3 dozen trips with them and well over 1,500 kilometers, and they were, for the most part, in absolutely amazing shape. So one thing I'll say is I almost never get blisters in these boots. I love these boots. They fit me perfectly. If you look at the interior, the Gore-Tex is still in great shape, and the exterior is still in fantastic shape. None of the rivets have come apart, none of the bindings, nothing. Everything is perfectly in great shape on this boot. Now, I do very routine maintenance on these things. I clean them after trips, I let them dry, and then I give them a beeswax treatment. You've seen that in a previous video where I heat my boots, and then I give them a beeswax treatment, let that beeswax soak in, and it gives them a waterproof, a good waterproof. I mean, when I walk in water with these things up to this level, the water just beads off. But, so the one thing I just did to these boots, I was on a trip not too long ago, and I was slipping constantly in the mud, and I realized that the soles were done. So I had them resoled, and I'm so happy with the resole. Now I want to show you something. Here's a work boot with a different kind of sole. On this work boot, you can see that there's a sole there, and there's a piece of leather or plastic, and the sole is stitched to the bottom of the boot. And these ones are, and so that's designed to be more easily replaced on the sole. And I was worried about finding a suitable cobbler who could resole these boots, and I found one. I live west of Calgary, so in the town of Cochrane, a fine gentleman named Tony from Tony's Shoe Repair. Tony's 77 years old, so when I walked into his shop and I asked him if he could do that, he assured me it couldn't, and I had no doubt because of how long he'd been doing it. But you can see here, I wish I had a model of the first boot. You can see a cut mark. So what Tony did is he used the bandsaw and carefully cut this sole, the old sole, off, leaving a little bit of material, not too much. And then he had a replacement, and he also removed the toe cap, and once he removed them and cleaned it up, he glued a new sole on the boot, and then he passed it through a grinder and then shaped it properly. So he told me he put 2 layers of glue and some coating on top, and this is the result. And so I'm absolutely tickled pink. The boot turned out fantastic. So my 2-year-old boot, my $400 boot with a $100 new sole, is now good for a solid 2 more years, maybe even 3, maybe 1 more resole after that. So one of the advantages of a full leather boot is that they're more durable than trail runners, and they can be resoled and repaired. So that's all. I just wanted to give a quick update. So these boots are 2 years old, and they've served me extremely, extremely well. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. I just wanted to post that, and then after this one I'm going to go back to posting trip videos. I got a backlog. I got about 3 trips that I have not done videos for yet, and they were long trips, so they're multi-part series. So I got about 5 or 6 video backlog, plus I have a trip coming up in a week. So hope you enjoy all of that. Actually, I'll put a card link to the first review of these boots. And by all means, if you like this, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and provide some comments. And otherwise, get off the beaten path, folks, and we'll see you on the trail.